Hey guys, it's Megan here from People Medical Consulting, and this is our practice question of the week. Now, practice question of the week, this one is a really big one. We get so many practices asking me about this, and that's what to put in a statutory declaration for a replacement exemption. Now, first things first, what's a replacement exemption? Let's say you're a practice and you've had a doctor leave. They're an IMG and they were working under a 19AB exemption. So they may have started with you while it was a DPA, but now your practice is no longer a DPA. What are you going to do? You're going to replace that doctor using a replacement exemption. Now, what you need to do is make sure that when that doctor leaves, they close their provider number. Make sure that they were working on a consistent basis within your practice. Now, we don't have the definition for consistent from the Department of Health. They will not put it in writing. However, through our experience, we have determined that it is definitely working on a weekly basis for 2 to 3 days per week. So you have the doctor who is leaving, you get them to close their provider number. They're also going to need to sign a statutory declaration. I'm not even going to cut that out. We're just going to keep going with this one. So they're going to sign a statutory, I can't say that word, a statutory declaration. And what that needs to include is stating that they have closed their provider number, that they are not planning on working within that catchment area, and that they will not return whilst they're inside moratorium. Now, this last one is a really important change. They've only just recently changed it in the last couple of months. It used to be stating that they just point blank wouldn't return to the area, but the Department of Health has confirmed for me in writing that they can return once their moratorium is complete. So, with all of the statutory messes up within this little video, if you have any questions about the stat deck or about anything else to do with GP recruitment, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help. Talk to you soon.